Alright, so today I'm going to be showing you guys a simple and easy, really fast fix if there's something wrong with your guys' Xbox controller. Like, if the analogs are sticky, you know, they're moving by themselves when you're playing the game, or they're just not moving, they're moving slower because you have something stuck up in there, or even if your buttons on the side have something stuck in them. So first you're going to do is, of course, have a controller. And you're going to want to pull up on the analog stick, push down, pull up, push down. And repeat that method for both the analogs or whatever analog is messed up. And what that's going to do is loosen up the debris. And for the buttons on the side, you're going to want to spam them. Just like that. And that's going to do the same thing. It's going to loosen it up. That should work. But if that doesn't, you might have to take the controller apart and wash it from the inside. So yeah.